Welcome to our comprehensive overview of MinerGate, one of the most accessible and efficient cryptocurrency mining platforms available today. Whether you're a novice just stepping into the world of crypto mining or a seasoned miner looking for a reliable platform, MinerGate offers something for everyone. From its simple registration process to its robust mining tools, MinerGate is designed to help users mine popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Monero with ease. Getting started on MinerGate is straightforward. After creating an account, you can download the MinerGate software or use their cloud mining service, depending on your preferences and resources. The platform offers an intuitive dashboard where users can monitor their mining progress, check their earnings, and switch between mining different cryptocurrencies effortlessly. MinerGate supports both GPU and CPU mining, allowing users to maximize their hardware's potential. The platform also features Smart Mining, an innovative tool that automatically selects the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine based on market conditions. This ensures that your efforts yield the best possible returns. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. MinerGate also provides users with access to detailed mining statistics, helping you analyze your performance and make informed decisions. Their 24/7 customer support ensures that help is always available whenever you need it, making MinerGate an ideal choice for beginners who may require assistance. Security is a top priority for MinerGate. The platform employs robust encryption protocols to safeguard your data and earnings, ensuring a safe mining environment. MinerGate's low withdrawal threshold is another standout feature, allowing users to access their earnings without the hassle of reaching high payout limits. If you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency mining or enhance your current operations, MinerGate is an excellent platform to consider. Its blend of user-friendly features, profitability tools, and top-notch security makes it a leading choice for miners worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and check the description for your special bonus link. Your support helps us bring more valuable content like this.